Hey, Nolik, come on out and play.
He's not allowed. He was punished.
Can you tell me what you did?
I grabbed a Pac-Man, and I forgot to ask.
How long do you have to sit there?
Until Masi and Papoose come home from their boozness.
What did you say?
Business, a work trip. They're inside of your father's cell phone right now. They were busy doing repairs in there when he left the house for work. Do you know the reason why a mobile phone is also called a cell phone? Mobile phones are connected to other mobile phones with the help of special radio stations that are put on top of towers and building roofs. Each one of these stations sends signals to its own area below, and each area is called a cell. A mobile phone works anywhere it can find a nearby station that it can connect to. So as long as there is a station nearby, you can talk as much as you want. You can even move from one cell to another. And without you ever knowing it, your mobile phone will switch from one station to another one. So your conversation can keep on going, even if you're running after a bus or riding on it.
Lead the man through the labyrinth. Take the SIM card to activate the radio cell.
Thomas, hello?
There you go, my dad came back home already. Hi, Dad, how are you?
Can you believe it? It looks like I lost my phone.
What do you mean you lost it? Where?
I have no idea.
So what? I'm gonna have to sit in here forever now? You? Our parents are missing. Where's my Marcia? Don't whine. We'll work something out.
What can help fixers to find out where their parents are?
Nope. Where's my Marcia?
It's just incredible. You see? I found it. Son, you're one clairvoyant. I didn't notice when it fell out of my pocket back at the gas station. So, just by any chance, you think you might happen to know where I can find that nice watch I lost?
No.
Don't worry, there's no rush. Just use that intuition you've got.
Help Fixies perform a dance to the fun cell phone ringtone. Follow the numbers on screen and press the corresponding button on cell phone.
Come and check out our Fixie ringtone.
Telephone is ringing.
Hooray!
Won't you answer,
Yeah.
please? Your phone is ringing. Telephone is telephone is telephone is zing bing. Your telephone is ringing.
Good job.
Your telephone is ringing.
Yeah.
Your telephone
Well
is
done.
ringing. Won't you answer, please? Zing bing. Your telephone is
Yeah.
ringing. Your telephone is
Well
ringing.
done.
Your telephone is ringing. Won't you answer,
Hooray!
please? Your phone
Good
is
job.
ringing. Telephone is